Well, there is still a Pangasinan Caloocan game.
Yes.
Yeah, posible pala no, na mag-20 wins lahat.
Yes. And 21 talaga ang habol.
Well, oo. Pangasinan could go as high as 21 wins. If Caloocan goes to 21 wins, Pangasinan is gonna just reach 20. So may, kasi sila maglalaban pa sila. Marami pa pwede mangyari.
Ang dami nga. Nakakalito nga yan eh. Sobrang
Nakakalito.
dami.
Hindi ka na makatulog?
Hindi naman. Pero maraming scenarios ang pwede mangyari.
Whoa! Pata Nuevo with his second three of the game.
Puro pang end of quarters to si Pata.
Oh, strong finisher.
Oo, strong finisher.
Look at the matchup though with Sidney Mosqueda. Look at Pat. Naskoran siya tuloy. Umamit ng katawan eh.
Bumawi lang.
Three-point shot is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances. The shooter, Pat Nuevo.
Ginamitan pa ng glass yun ha. Sa 3 points.
Estre with the rebound.
Isa na yan sa mga, itong si Maestre, isa na yan sa mga I feel could be a key rotation piece for Coach Boy. Yeah.
He is.
Especially in the playoffs. Mga cross matches na yan.
Sabi, best of 3 yan na playoffs natin. Until the division finals, the best of 5. Mixer, great move of the game. Born for greatness. Ang meron pa ba? May lalabas pa tayo? Nakahanda eh.
Nakakasay, no?
Ayun! Pwede yun! Pwede ba yun, GP?
Left hand finish ni Mike.
Oo. Ayun! Sidney Mosqueda with another basket. Renzo Sobido.
Talaga nga namang crucial yung mga yung first quarter na yun.
Well, that second quarter actually.
Para sa Quezon City on the
para
recovery.
tsaka sa Binyan din because Sobido had a really outstanding second quarter but he has continued that here.
22 na yan.
22 in the ball game para kay Renzo Sobido and ang ganda rin ng efficiency niya dito, no? Sobido shooting 7 of 10 from the field and that should do it. Binyan will improve to 17 and 11 tying Jensan and Zamboanga from the 4th to the 6th spot in the South Division. They get the job done. That is their 5th straight win. Our Gixxer, great move of the game. Born for greatness. Sabi ko na nga ba, may hahabol. And that's a great move galing kay Mike Maestre. 101 to 72 natapos ang ating laro.